if you want to close this. Both of them comments, Control Shift /, keyboards. Okay, that is what Control Shift /. Comment means the Sublime Editor can't read your statement and can't apply that function. And see onto a website. Press F5 for refresh. You can see here there is no spaces, and all of space are there is something like here, there is no space. You can see here line, and I also want to uncomment and press Ctrl S to save and refresh this. Okay, line height means between lines, the space between lines. Like this is a header selector and this is another header selector. These lines, this is what line height. Okay, then I want to apply some of these. For example, I want to just apply letter spacing. You can see here what is letter spacing. Just I uncomment this. Okay, and word spacing I again comment, press Ctrl S to save. Only I letter spacing enabled. You can see here, press F5. You can see both of them, T and H between the space. This is called letter spacing, alphabet spacing. As you see also line height, and other one is what word spacing. Okay, I want to clear comments here. Okay, and I also want to clear comments here. And save it. Now apply again. You will see here effect. Now other one is what? Background color. Text alignment is center. Okay, and background color is this. For example, you can apply any of color. Okay, I want to apply here background color. Background color, yes, E1. Okay, like this. Save it. Okay, this background color ash E1F 256. Okay, save it and open onto a website, and this is the background color. you will see here between line there is a difference. I'll insert a between line height here. This is the line height, so you can see here some spacing. Now see other properties, that is what heading, h1 heading color is red, font size 3em, and font family. You can also apply font style and text decoration, and also throw underline, overline, and this is also you can apply many other properties, line throw, underline, overline, or none. See what's effect here. Now I want to just apply heading style. Okay, this is what color is red, font size is what 3em, and font family, color, font size, and font family. Color is red, font size for example 3em, and font family. What is this? Okay, first I want to apply these boards. See what's the effect. Okay, this will apply only header, not apply onto a paragraph. You can see here this will apply only h1 heading, and see here h1 heading, and this will not apply onto a paragraph. Now next is what? Font family. Font family is what? Okay, like you can apply any of these. You can also apply this. Okay, this will, this is not any properties. Erase this. Okay, first Arial, for example lucid writing, handwriting. You can also apply Arial, comma, lucid handwriting, and closed with semicolon. As you see here, you can apply in these settings. And now I want to apply onto a website. Press F5. As you see, font style is changed. It changes effect. You can also apply here some other. For example, I want to here, like you can see here, chiller. Okay, this is the name of, this is a not font style. okay, Arial, or like I want to apply another font like Impact, is also font style, and see onto a website. Press F5. This is the Impact style, as you see. Last one is what? Yes, that also already discussed, text decoration. I discussed in previous lecture, but here is many other styles. Line throw, there is a property, underline, overline, or none. None means there is no any property applied. Text decoration. Text decoration. Line throw, semicolon. Okay, this is the text decoration, line throw, and press Ctrl S to save onto a website. Press F5. Line throw, there is a, you can see here above a line onto a text. This is the line throw. You can see here other properties also you can apply. For example, underline, overline, as you can apply here. Because so just for example overline. Ctrl S to save and see onto a website. Click here and refresh this. This is a overline. There are many properties of seam selector or text criteria. Both files have been completed, as you see here, first one and second one. Okay, this is a code, first one and second one. Okay, just I'll type here 1 2 3 paragraphs. You can type another text, no problem, and I'll connect with this what main.css. okay, you can also connect here, and this code you can see here onto a Sublime. Okay, this is the first CSS code. Okay, you can see all of the code here. Start here, the comma heading, and other one is start only here, and also closed with brackets, a declaration, brackets, braces, and first file is this HTML file, and this is a CSS file. Start here. Okay, this is also a whole code. The HTML code, and also I'll also attach this main1.css and adding one style and paragraph style. These are the styles. Okay, this is the topic of multiple CSS properties and selectors properties. Okay, this is also selectors, heading and paragraph, and these are the selectors properties. That is what, like font size, line height, word spacing, letter spacing, color spacing. You can apply main.css other file. This will complete here. Okay, first file, and other file is what, this is selectors, heading and paragraph p, and this is selectors properties, color, font style, and line height, word spacing, letter spacing, text line. These are the selectors properties. If any problem, comment below the description of video. I'll revert back as soon as possible. Thanks.